Good morning, dear students. I hope you all have gone through the earlier videos and done all the given assignments. Please go through the lessons taught. Keep yourself updated. If you have any doubt, you can ask through Campus Care. As already taught, animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. In the previous videos, you learned about mode of intake of food, that is how different animals take food or ingest food. Today you will learn digestion. So the definition of digestion is the process of breaking down of complex food molecules into simpler molecules that can be used by the body is called digestion. So let us understand this. The nutrients present in food are complex substances, and these need to be broken down into simpler substances so that food can be easily absorbed and utilized by our body. Do you know, children, different animals have different digestive system according to the food they take in and how they take in. But today you will learn about digestion in human, so let's begin. Human beings exhibit a holozoic mode of nutrition involving 5 basic steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. The human digestive system. It consists of alimentary canal or digestive tract, secretory glands or digestive glands. So we take in food through the mouth, digest and utilize it. So let's learn how the food that we eat get digested and absorbed. So the human digestive system consists of, as I told you, alimentary canal and secretory glands. So alimentary canal is a long tube which starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. It is of about 9 to 10 meter long and consists of mouth or buccal cavity, food pipe or oesophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine which has 3 parts: cecum, colon and rectum, and finally anus. So now secretory glands. These secretory glands secrete enzymes or digestive juices which help in digestion of food. They are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. These organs along with the alimentary canal make up the digestive system. Now you can see the diagram of digestive system. It is also in your book on page number 12 of this lesson. You can see organs of alimentary tract and also the digestive glands that secrete digestive juices and help in digestion of food. So children, the food gradually gets digested as it travels the various parts of alimentary canal from mouth to anus with the help of secretory glands. These secretory glands secrete digestive juices which help to break down the large and complex substances like carbohydrates, fats and proteins into the simplest form so that they can be easily absorbed and utilized by the body. That's all for now. Thank you.